You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting names and words from Spanish, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel for reference. In Spanish it is said as madrigal, madrigal, yes, emphasis on that last gal syllable, madrigal. In English, madrigal, from Spanish, madrigal, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.